John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park, which was established in 1963. It was the first undersea park in the United States. We had read about the John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park prior to our arrival. A couple of hours earlier, we swam at a beautiful, pristine beach with clear water. Due to a rise in water temperature and hurricanes, Florida is generally highly affected by climate change, which affects the coral reef. It's very sad, but exploring different places does not always mean that everything can be sunshine and roses. There is an environmental education and visitor center at the state park, where visitors can learn about the coral reef ecosystem. Throughout the year, there are many environmental programs offered to park visitors on a wide range of natural and cultural history subjects. There are 3 designated areas for swimming, and there are designated areas located throughout the park where barbecue grills are provided so you can have a nice sundown and enjoy the beautiful Sunshine State. Thank you so much for watching our video. Drop a like on the video to support us, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and follow us on our Instagram. See you in the next one.